The answer to the question, what is numerology, is something that has the potential to change your life for the better. In recent years, more and more people have become interested in the subject of numerology, as its potential impact on your life and future can mean the difference between simply coasting through life and enjoying success in newfound ways. The following is Numerology Explained guide that will help you uncover exactly what numerology is, how to use it, and even how to find the numerology of your own name. Numerology Explained. The simplest way to describe numerology is that numerology is the study of numbers which affect your life. It is similar to concepts such as astrology, although numerology focuses entirely on numbers rather than on star signs or similar concepts. In some ways, numerology is considered to be the hidden language of numbers, a language that, when understood, can help you better understand the world around you and better understand yourself and your future. History of numerology. Numerology has a surprisingly long history. Although most people associate numerology with the modern new wave of the 1970s, there is evidence of belief and study in numerology concepts as far back as ancient Greece, with books, studies and other texts regarding the study and language of numbers being published periodically over the next 2000 years. Our modern understanding of numerology is primarily built upon innovative studies published in the 1970s. These studies continue to form the basis of new and exciting studies and theories regarding how it can impact our lives. How to use numerology. Numerology can be used in a variety of different ways. The primary concept behind any use for numerology is that once you break down the basic elements of numbers, you will have a greater understanding of the world around you. Anything, theoretically, can be broken down and studied through numerology. Your name, your life, your friends and family, understanding them can help you discover new insights about your personality, your goals, and your path towards the future. For most professional numerologists, the most important number in your life is your life path number. Your life path number is determined through calculating related to the exact date of your birth. This information is converted and calculated using special numerology formulas to determine your life path number. However, your life path number is not the only important number in your life. Everything from your name to your birthday to where you live can all be studied and analyzed. Another way that numerology is often used is for business purposes. Business names and even locations can be analyzed to help business owners make smarter business decisions that will help lead them on the path to success. Even simple numerology calculations can have a massive impact on the potential numerical success of a business. Numerology readings, what to expect. If you want to have a professional numerology reading, you are not alone. More and more people are becoming interested in having professional readings done by experts who understand the concepts and importance of numerology. If you plan to have a numerology reading, you are in for a fun and exciting experience. A basic reading will go as follows. The reader will first take note of the most important numbers in your life and use them as the basis for their numerology calculations. These calculations are complex and the results of these calculations will help them create a numerology chart. This chart can then be broken down into at least 5 core elements, which are ideal for beginners who are just getting into the concept of numerology. Most readings will begin with simple number information such as your date of birth and name, but more complex readings can include calculations for factors such as your life path number, birthday number, expression number, personality number and soul urge number. Determining your life path number. One of the most common questions people have about numerology is, what is my numerology number? Determining your personal life path number is surprisingly simple once you understand the basic concepts behind numerology and how it is calculated. For life path numbers, all you need is your exact date of birth, day, month and year. Your life path number is one of the most important personal numbers you have, so calculating this can help you when you want more complex numerology readings in the future. The first thing you need to do is add up all the numbers in your full date of birth. You need to add and calculate until you can get a single-digit number. For example, if you were born on April 4, 1992, first, add up 4 plus 4 to get 8. This is a single-digit number, so write 8 down and move on to the year. Then add the numbers that make up your birth year, 1992 to 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2 to get 21. 21 is a double-digit number, so you need to do some more calculations. Then, add these two digits, 2 and 1, to get 3. This is a single-digit number, so write it down. Then, add your two numbers together, 8 and 3, to get 11. Your life path number is therefore 11. Final thoughts. The above guide will have provided some much-needed answers to the question, what is numerology? As numerology becomes more popular and prominent around the world, more people want to understand exactly what it is and how it works. Once you understand the basic concepts behind it, you will find it easier to read about the more complex theories and practical uses for numerology in your everyday life. Understanding numerology will open up an entirely new world for you as you learn the importance of reading numbers in regards to your life, your success, and the path that you take in the future. Click the link in the description to get your free personalized numerology report. It was nice connecting with you. Bye.